Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2015, 2016, 2017. If you have one of those, you have traction control light on. We will explain which fuses control the traction control light, which fuses you need to check before wasting money on parts, tools and diagnostics you don't need. Always check the fuses first. We will explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the traction control light fuses, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on that 2017 Toyota Camry right here guys. You have by the way two different fuse boxes in this car. Today we will be working in both of them. If you come here, open the driver door guys, okay, and if you look under the dash on the left side above the pedals, all the way in the left corner, look upside down there, you will see one white cover. Open it and you'll see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. What we have here now specifically guys, what we need to check. Now first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 2, that 10 amp fuse right here. After that you need to check fuse number, this is 2423. This fuse here will need to be checked. Then you need to come and open the hood on your Toyota Camry. Right here on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover. Open that cover guys, you will see a fuse box layout like this one here. Here you have two specific fuses, multi-block fuses, this one and that one. They consist of multiple fuses built in those fuses. The one that we need is that long one here. And if you remove it to see the side view, that fuse will look just like this one, okay? This is the top, this is the top view. This is, okay, the side view. And here in that fuse guys, we'll need to check fuse number 6, which is that fuse right here. And then you need to check fuse number 9, this fuse, for traction control as well. Unfortunately, you have to replace the whole fuse box if one of them is burned, but we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price and quick shipping as well. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.